Okay, hi guys, this is Mitch from Snowdon, and I just wanted to talk today about our White-Rodgers line. We're a full line distributor. We carry everything from little overloads and relays to sequencers, contactors, transformers. We've also got the complete line of thermostats from your regular 1 heat, 1 cool, non-programmable, right through to the 2 heat, 3 heat, 2 cool, programmable style thermostats. We've also got the touch screens with the humidity, and this new thermostat I think is pretty cool because it's a Wi-Fi, so you can set it up so that you can program it through your cell phone, and you can go and turn the temperature up, turn the temperature down remotely through your cell phone. So I just think that was kind of cool. And that's it. So we've got a complete line of White-Rodgers. So if you need anything when it comes to your electrical needs, we've got the White-Rodgers line, and give us a shout over at Snow, and we could be taking care of you. So my name's Mitch, and if you have any questions about our videos, our training seminars, or products, feel free to give me a call anytime. My number is below, or sign up for our training seminars. So looking forward to hearing from you.